Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to unbox
the REDMAGIC 6 Pro.
Let's start!
We ordered this gaming phone last July 17 on REDMAGIC official website. Then we received the package last July 22. It only takes 5 days. Now let's check what the actual unit looks like. But let's check first the accessories inside the box. The power adapter, the Type-C data cable, the user guide or documentation, the warranty card, and the clear mobile phone case. On the right side part of the phone, there are the power switch, the fan, and the shoulder trigger buttons. The headphone jack is located at the top part of the phone, while on the left are the dedicated gaming switch, fan, and the volume control. On the bottom are the SIM tray, Type-C connector charging port, and the speaker unit. The SIM tray ejector is also included inside the box. Now let's put the SIM on the SIM tray before turning on the phone. Let's turn on this device. Now you can see the REDMAGIC logo. We have to set up this phone first. After finishing the setup, we are now ready to check some details of this phone. The refresh rate of the 6.8 inches AMOLED display is also adaptive and adjusts itself between 60Hz, 90Hz, 120Hz, and 165Hz to ensure a comfortable experience for every game and to save on battery life. Now let's check some of the specs of this gaming phone. The CPU is a Snapdragon 888. The RAM is 16GB, while the phone storage is 256GB. REDMAGIC OS is V4.0 and the Android version is 11. Now let's turn on the dedicated game space switch. Entering the game space will automatically turn on the fan. With the slide of the dedicated game space switch, enter your own dedicated gaming hub. Organize your games, fine-tune performance settings, monitor stats, and more for ultimate gaming control. This gaming phone has ultra premium build with a combination of metal and glass materials. Now let's put the clear mobile phone case. Now let's proceed to light settings. This gaming phone has symbol lamp. It comes with LED effects during screen on. You can also select LED effect settings. You can also turn on and off the symbol lamp. Now let's proceed to competitive atmosphere LED. Here you can choose different LED colors. You can also change the LED effects. You can easily customize your preferred settings here. Automatically turn on the fan during fast charging. The fan will be turned on automatically during fast charging. When turned on, it will effectively reduce heat generation and greatly improve the charging efficiency. Now you can hear the fan while charging. Now let's try video recording. The default settings is Full HD 1080p. Let's change it to Ultra HD 4K at 60 FPS. This settings has video anti-shake. You can get a super steady video output. For example, while traveling, running, walking down the stairs, or shooting a video exploring the rough terrain of the mountains. Now let's try the Ultra HD 8K. While the settings doesn't have video anti-shake, but it gives you the best video quality output. Now let's try capturing some photos using 64MP resolution. I just want to show you a bit of comparison from Vivo X50 Pro and Nubia REDMAGIC 6 Pro. We already downloaded Call of Duty. Now let's try playing it using only the default settings. Ultra smooth and ultra responsive. The REDMAGIC 6 Pro pairs the world's fastest refresh rate with an ultra responsive of up to 500Hz touch response. For the smoothest, most responsive mobile gaming experience ever. You'll see and even feel the difference. The Redmi Magic 6 Pro has built-in shoulder trigger buttons that function just like they would on a typical gaming controller, like the PlayStation 5's DualSense. They are fully customizable with a 400Hz touch sampling rate to ensure the experience is just right for you. Now let's go back to game menu and adjust the graphic settings. Let's set the graphic quality to very high and frame rate to maximum. Vivid colors and the eraser-sharp resolution take your favorite games to a new heights with some of the most stunning visuals in mobile gaming. With SGS anti-smear and eye care certifications, your screen stays clear and smear-free, so you never lose the competitive edge and you can keep winning games for hours without fear of harming your eyes. The REDMAGIC 6 Pro's high-performance 5050 mAh battery allows you to game 4 hours on a single charge. Now, get ready to go the extra distance for that extra hour of game time with 5050 mAh. Then, get right back into the games even faster than before with a 30 watts quick charger that can be upgraded to a 66 watts quick charger. Additionally, the REDMAGIC 6 Pro uses DTX Ultra X surround sound, which gives it the ability to accurately simulate directional sound, which will let you get fully immersed in any game or movie you are experiencing.
Keep on them. We're winning this one. Enemy down! Reload! Cover me! Enemy down!
That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the bell button. Bye.